Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we have this nice challenge before us here. The question is very interesting, it's an interesting one. And what makes it very interesting is when we're going to do the substitution of the final answer into the original equation and see if it will correspond or if it will satisfy the equation. That part is very interesting. So I urge you to watch from beginning to the end of this challenge for you to learn something because I believe at the end we will learn something very special, something unique from here. So the question is solve our 7 to the power of x equal to 70 to the power of 21. So what is x here now? Easy. So let's take our solution. Solution. Now, the first thing we're going to do here, we just have the variable we are looking for on only one side of the equation. So the best thing is just to take logarithm to both sides of the equation. But here, because we're having 7 here as the base number, then we want to take it log base 7. So this will give us here our log base 7, right? There we have 7. Let's put this in bracket all to the power of x. This is equal to log base 7. Then we have our 70 bracket all to the power of 21. Easy. Now we're going to make use of the law of logarithm, which is called the power law of logarithm. What does it say? It says that if you have your log, if you have m to the power of n, then it says move this to this side of this equation. This will now give us here n times log our m. Remember this law? We're going to apply it here and here. So it means we're going to move the whole of this side of the equation, and also this side of this equation. Easy, right? So this is going to give us here our x here times our log our 7. Put this in bracket is 7. This is equal to 21 there to our log. This is times, please, times our bracket 70 is 7. Now from here, we apply another rule. We're going to make use of two rules here again. We're going to make use of the same base law, and also we're going to simplify this. First of all, let's look at the same base law. It says that if you have log a base a, here, this is equal to 1. Okay, so from here, we're going to apply it here. The whole of this will give us 1. So we are going to have x is equal to 21 times then log, look at this 70 here. We can split this into 7 times 10. Why are we doing that? Because of this base 7 here. So we're going to have here 7 times 10. Close bracket base 7. Okay. Now we have a multiplication law here. There is another law in logarithm again. It says that if you have your log, your n times n, there's this 10. This is equal to, we're going to have it to be log m there plus our log n. Remember this law? Good. So we're going to make use of this. Use it to rewrite this expression here. So this now implies that our x will now be equal to 21 times our log. So this is going to give us 7 base 7. But let's put this in bracket here. Then we have plus our log our 10 base 7. Close bracket. Are we learning something from here? Yes. Okay. Mind you, this is affecting everything. Remember the log which we'll look at initially here. Log a base a equal to 1. So we are having here 7 base 7. So this will now give us here our x is equal to 21 into 1 plus log our 10 is 7. Okay, so with what we have here now, it's easy now. Look at this. We can use this to open up this bracket now, right? Yes. So if we use this to open up this bracket, so this is going to give us here our 21 plus our 21 there times log our 10 is 7. But here we want to deal with natural base. We want to change this to base 10. And we have the law of change of base. It says that if you have your log, let's say log a, okay, let's take a, log a, then this your b, we can change this base to c. So this will give us here our log a base c all over our log b base c. Okay, so want to make use of this law, want to apply it here. So this will now give us here, this is equal to 21 plus, here we have 21 into our log 10 base 10. We are changing to base 10. Okay, the bracket all over our log. Here we have 7, so we have 7 base 10, natural base. So let's extend this here. Sorry. Okay, so from here, what do we do? Look at this, we're having log 10 base 10. So this will finally give us 21 plus. If we use this to open up this is going to give us 21 all over log our 7 is 10. So this is our final answer. So we have our therefore x and here. So this is the value of our x that will satisfy the original equation, which is this. But here we want to do a simple check if this answer here will actually satisfy the original equation. This is the part I said is very interesting. So let's take a check. So here is our question. Okay, 7 to the power of x equal to 70 to the power of 21. Again, let's look at our answer which we got from here. Okay, now you can actually find the numerical value from here. They use this to divide this, add this to this, then put it here, it will give you the answer. But here, let's just put the whole of this answer in place of x here. Okay, so this is going to give us here our 7 to the power of bracket open our 21 then plus 21 all over log your 7 is 10 close bracket, everything equal to our 70 to the power of 21. Good. So what do we do here? Now we want to change this to base 7 because we are having base 7 here. So here we want to take this to base 7 again because we are having 7 here. And recall from one of the steps in the previous steps, look at what we have here. The whole of this, look at this expression here now. It's what we solve down to this. Or this very one is what we move down to this place here. So we want to bring this expression back here now. Okay, so we can now rewrite the whole of this as our 7, okay, bracket open, our 21, we have 21, then our plus our 21, then times log 10 is 7 close bracket. What we have here now is the same thing as this. Everything equal to our 70 to the power of 21. Easy, right? Good. All right. So, oh, sorry, yeah, this is not into this is the base here. Okay. So, according to the laws of indices, we can rewrite this expression here. This expression means that our 7 to the power of 21 times 7 to the power of 21 times log our 10 is 7. Okay, so let's put this in bracket here. That everything equal to 70 to the power of 21. What do? We want to apply the power law of logarithm by moving this to this side. So this will give us here our 7 to the power of 21 times our 7 to the power of log 10 to the power of 21. Okay, that is 7 is equal to 70 to the power of 21. Good. Now look at this expression we have here now. We're having 7 to the power of log base 7. So automatically this and this will leave the system. So we're now left with 7 to the power of 21. There times we are left with 10 to the power of 21. So we have here 10 to the power of 21 equal to 70 to the power of 21. Look at the two powers, they are the same. So we can multiply this and this together. Or better still, we can express this as our 7 times 10 bracket 21. If we distribute this power among this, we're going to come up with this again. Everything equal to 17 to the power of 21. All right. Then, if we multiply this by 10, this will give us 70 to the power of 21, which is equal to 70 to the power of 21. Wow. So this shows that the answer which you will solve for in our question, look at it here, satisfy the original equation, which is this. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this math challenge. If you learned something from this video tutorial, do not hesitate to give the video a thumbs up, right from the steps applied down to the check for the answer. If you learned something from it, drop it in the comments. If you've not subscribed, subscribe here, because here we are here to bring mathematics to your understanding. Thanks for watching my prowess. Bye. Until we see you in our next class.